How's everybody doing tonight? I'm Sam, Bigwood Guitars. I've got a kit here for you that I built. Just going to do a review on it and let you guys know what I think. This is the cheapest Telecaster kit you can buy off Amazon. It was $78 for this kit. I stained it, did a sunflower yellow on it, brushed aluminum pick guard. I've done some upgrades to this that did not come in the kit. I did not do before and after sample on it. Sorry about that. This has Fleor Alnico 5 pickups in it. I've got CTS pots with a boost in the middle position on the coil tap, brass saddles, locking tuners. I mean, it's a very, very solid guitar for what you're paying, what you're getting. I tend to upgrade all the electronics on pretty much every guitar I build, but this is basically what you can do with one of them. I'll give you a few sound samples. I'm playing through my Egnator Rebel 20 valve amp, and yeah, here's a few clean tones. Let me know what you think. As you can tell, this has a nice chimey, clean sound to it. It's got that snap to it too, though, when you're wanting to do some country. Just a great tone overall. The parts I got off this, most of them were off Amazon. Like I said, the Fleor pickups, Alnico 5s, they were $28 for the set. The control plate that I put in here, off eBay, this was $26. It has CTS pots in it. Like I said, it's three-way switch, but it does have the coil tap there, or not coil tap, but the boost function in the center. So I'll show you a little something with that there too. So this is without the boost on. This is with it on. Noticeable increase in tone, kind of makes it into a humbucker type of sound to it. I stained this body with a powdered Kita dye, and it turned out very nice. I used a lacquer clear over it in a satin semi-gloss clear, so if you can catch some of the light on that there. I mean, very solid kit, very well made. The neck is a maple neck. I did stain the neck also, so I mixed a little bit of brown dye with a little bit of coffee, stained that, and then I rubbed it with true oil for the neck. Got a nice smooth feel to it. Everything about this, yes, I had to do setup, everything. When you're building a guitar, you're starting from scratch pretty much. But yeah, $78 with the pieces, parts I've got into this. We're under $200, and it's an outstanding guitar. It's a little thick on the neck, kind of the baseball bat type of feel to it. It sounds incredible. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about stuff like this. I've got several guitar kits that I built. I'm going to do some more in-depth reviews on some of those also. Just wanted to show you what you can get. If you got a little bit of time, a little bit of patience, what you can do with a cheap kit off of Amazon. You can make a killer guitar. So like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Help me build this channel. You know, I get up there to 5,000 subscribers or so, I'll start giving some kits away, some builds, and yeah, help me and I'll help you. Thanks. Bye.